What's up? This is Sensei from Ride Fit Nation. Welcome to the channel. If you have not been to the channel, welcome to here. This is where we talk about miles, money, and muscle. Miles meaning the miles you're getting on your bike. We're not gonna count the cars. The money, we're talking about the money you get when you're out there grinding, working, doing what you gotta do to survive and thrive. And then of course, the muscle is when you start to train that body, taking care of your health and making sure you're doing what you gotta do on a physical plane. So right now, I'm in the midst of building out my 05 Softail. Most of these videos are gonna be just me showing you the stuff that I'm doing piece by piece. The last video, I was installing the screws, and I also showed you the floorboards that I got from Cyclesmiths, which is on here right now. I got a floorboard, the shifter pegs, and I got a couple of things coming that's gonna be fantastic. But today, we are gonna be unboxing the rims. These videos are gonna be very quick, very fast, but I'm still gonna find something to talk about. So here, we're gonna open this together, all right? So this is from Hard Drive. And what I'll tell you is I don't know much about hard drive. I never had hard drive rims before, never. The only hard drive I know is the one that be in the computers, the hard drive in the computers, okay? So if you got any type of experience with hard drive, you let me know. What I also know is that they're not expensive. They're not really, really expensive. This is gonna be the back rim. And on the back, I'm putting 23s on the front. I mentioned that in my last video. And the back, I'm putting 18s. So these are 18s by 4.5s. Let me see if I can get this thing off of here. This is a real unboxing because you know unboxing is never fun. And I'm gonna have to literally rip this box apart to get this out. So when I say not expensive, I got some quotes from a couple of companies for 3,000 and change. And I didn't want to spend that much money. This build is not something that I care to break the bank on, but I want it to look like I broke the bank on it. See the difference? All right, so we're unpacking this, and these are gonna be powder coated. Beautiful. Oh, this looks good. All right, let's get that out the way. Open this up, and of course, this is let me see what this looks like. I'm gonna look at the weld, see what this looks like. Oh, this is beautiful. This is nice. Wow. This is great. So what I'm doing now, I'm looking at the weld to see how it looks, and I'm gonna tell you, everything looks really, really good. Wow, the smell of a new rim. Woohoo! I got maybe a little bit of rough edge in here, nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy at all. Let's see. Yep. So this is the rim, okay? This here, all of this is gonna be colored. So the lip is all black, but when I decide of what I wanna do in here as, then you see it in that color scheme, all right? So let's put that to the side. Like I said, I'm not here to keep y'all forever. Will that stay still or is it gonna fall? Let's find out. I know y'all can't see that, but it's okay. Now this bad boy right here, this is the front. And these are 23s. And I am not gonna go through the same thing I just went through, so I'm just gonna do myself a favor, utilize the tool that's in my hand right now, break this damn thing apart without cutting my leg off, okay? All right. Oh, this is a big rim, boy. This is a big rim. This is the biggest I think I ever want to go. All right. Ooh, boy. Where you going? I'm just gonna lay you down so you don't fall and collapse. You just lay down right there. You stay where you at. Isn't this the best unboxing you've ever seen in your whole life? Just pick that up. Now, let me show it to you guys. Pick this bad boy up. Okay. Now, these are 23s. And when I tell you that this is a beautiful rim, oh my God. Oh, man, I'm like a big kid in the candy store. Look at this. Oh man, I got a rim head. Yep, listen, same exact quality. Everything on here looks really good. This is steel. It's welded nicely. I don't feel nothing crazy. Let me see. it has the bearings in here already. Let's see the other side. Yep. Yep, and it's made for one-sided rotors, because my bike is only one-sided rotors, so gonna get some nice rotors put on here. If you have a company that you recommend for some really good-looking rotors, let me know, tag me. If you got some discounts I can get, because I'm aiming to make this thing a low-budget build where we're not spending a lot of money, and I'm gonna give y'all the prices of everything at the end of this build. Now, what I will tell you, with this rim, I'm gonna ask you to guess how much you think I paid for these rims, okay? For the front and the rear. Now, we're gonna zoom down a bit. Got my wife in the back helping me out with the videos today. So now we got these rims. Look at how gorgeous this looks together, right? Now, imagine how this is gonna look on that bike. That's gonna look great on that bike. Follow me for a second. The camera will be able to get me. Okay? So I hope that this don't fall the hell off, but I'm just gonna hold it and show you. Look at that look. Look at the life already that this already brought to the bike. Come on, baby, come on. Come on. And then I'm gonna let that just roll. Where are you gonna roll to? Where you trying to go to, man? And then over here, we're gonna put the 23s on the front. Ooh, I could let that go. Look at that. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna put something here that it don't roll. Stay your butt right there. Stay right there, okay? Imagine how this baby gonna look already. Can you feel that? All right, so I'm gonna get the tires, get some tires for these, but these are gonna go straight to the powder coating shop. I'm gonna drop these off, let Ashton look at them, and we're gonna decide if we are gonna do these a darker color or if we're gonna make these the accent color, because this bike is gonna become one of those bikes that is just gonna stand out. I don't want this bike to stay hidden. I want this bike to stand out, all right? So this is Sensei. Anubis is coming together. Leave it in the comments. Let me know the stuff that you guys expect to see on this bike. I wanna see if you know my style. Some of y'all said that I should definitely get a more comfortable seat. Some of you guys said I should get the white walls. I like white walls, but I'm not a classic type of guy. I like certain things classic, but I like things just to be a little bit less classic-y. Is that a word? Less classic-y? I don't know, but what else? Some of you guys asked a question like my wife asked about the leather on the floorboard. How will that go in weather and rain and all that? Well, from the feel of this, number one, leather is designed to withstand a lot of hard stuff. That's why leather jackets and leather gloves, it's made out of leather. It's designed for hard stuff. So this, I'm positive that's gonna hold up. What else did you guys say I should be looking at? I forgot what else you guys said, but I need y'all input on the build of the bike, okay? What size, how high up do you think my bars should be? I'm 6'2", I got these long arms, but I like my bars to be not too low, not too high. We'll see how that goes. And then, what else? That's pretty much it. So I'm just tell y'all, thanks a lot for joining. Leave those comments. These videos are gonna come in as my parts come in, and then we're gonna keep on building. What's coming up next is gonna be the exhaust system from Bassani, which is only the headers. And then I got the floorboard piece just attaching. Then you're gonna get to see that getting installed and all that stuff too, all right? So let's go, let's get these miles, let's get this money, let's get this muscle. I don't even got muscles no more, I used to have them. But anyway, let's get it. I'm out, peace.